Chocolate cake easy rest. Add 4 eggs. Add half cup sugar. Mix well. Add half cup oil. Mix. Add 2 cup made of flour. Mix. Add half cup milk. Mix. Add half cup cocoa powder. Add 1 tablespoon baking powder. Grease with oil. Bake for 30 minutes. Chocolate Ganesh. Add oil. Add 3 tablespoons sugar. Add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. Mix. In 1 cup milk, add 1 tablespoon corn flour and mix. In this stage, add any chocolate. Mix. Cut the cake in half and add milk. Add chocolate Ganesh. See the result. For more cooking videos, subscribe this channel.